Inherent in every intention and desire is the mechanics for its fulfillment. Intention and desire in the field of pure potentiality have infinite organizing power. Want to learn how to become a conscious creator of your life rather than a fearful reactor? In this video, we are going to teach you how to use the law of intention to live your life proactively rather than reactively. I use this technique every day. Living life by setting intentions has helped me to manifest small things like running into a friend, and also to manifest bigger things like living here in India, making inspiring documentary films in Africa, and having magical encounters through hiking 30 days alone by myself. By the end of this video, you will feel empowered to start living your life with intention, manifest easily, and live a life you feel proud of. If you're excited to dive in, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the little notification bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Grab your free guide, linked in the description below, and find out more about working with me and the other side one-on-one. Check out the link in the description below. Grab a notebook and a pen, and let's start intention setting. List out 3 to 5 intentions that you have for yourself today. So it's important to write out your intention and how ultimately you'd like it to go. Intention setting part 2. The next step in our intention setting is writing your bigger intentions. These include things like getting a new job, learning a new activity, inviting in a new relationship, getting a new item, moving to a new house, are some examples. My intention is to learn how to paraglide. I write my intention, learn how to paraglide. The next step is to write out how. I would really like to have a nice, knowledgeable instructor. I would like to be able to learn right here. I would like it to be fun and safe and to have all the gear and equipment. I would like for it to happen easily and naturally, and by the end of my learning to be able to fly by myself with confidence, with safety, and with a really high level of knowledge. The next step in my intention setting is to feel that in my body. Why do I want to learn how to paraglide? Well, because it would be super fun. I would feel free flying over the ocean with the nature, with the birds, and feeling that sense of freedom. The last and final step is to draw a little star around the first letter of the word. So for example, in learning how to paraglide, it would be a P, and I would draw a little star, like a branding around that. So that's your symbol for your intention. So every day, it's a really good idea to brand that intention into your brain, into your body. For my example, to be paragliding over the open ocean, and see yourself actually doing it. So by generating these feelings, by creating your intentions ahead of time, it paves the way for it to naturally come to you, rather than chasing after what you're wanting. By allowing the feelings to be here already, you become a natural magnet for what you are wanting. I'd love to hear your experiences with setting intentions. So go ahead and drop those in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Remember to check out the links in the description below on how to work with me and the other side one-on-one and to receive your free guide. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Namaste.